Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data validation, a full guide. This powerful feature allows you to control the type of data entered into your cells, preventing common mistakes and improving overall data quality. Imagine a spreadsheet where every entry is exactly what you expect. That is the goal of data validation. It makes your work more reliable and easier to manage for everyone involved. To get started, simply select the cell or a group of cells where you wish to apply these rules. Then, find the Data tab in your ribbon and click Data Validation. Here, you can specify various conditions, perhaps limiting entries to only whole numbers within a specific range, say from 1 to 100, or allowing only specific dates. This initial setup is foundational for controlling your data entry effectively. Data validation also allows you to add an input message, which appears when a user selects a validated cell. You can provide a clear title and a concise message, perhaps instructing users to enter a number between 1 and 10. This helpful prompt guides them on exactly what is expected, making the data entry process much smoother. It is a great way to prevent mistakes before they even happen. When invalid data is entered, you can customize the error alert that appears. The stop alert completely prevents incorrect entries, forcing the user to correct their input before moving on. A warning alert allows the user to proceed if they choose, but still flags the issue. The information alert simply provides a notice without restricting entry, offering flexibility based on your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.